Now I am going to do fruity jelly delight. So that is something different to the normal preparation. So we will see how it is done. Now I am going to do the jelly. To make this jelly, what I have to do is I need a cup of juice. From where did I get the juice? I bought the pears. Of course, the pears when you take the canned fruits only we have taken. In these canned fruits, the fruits are separately kept and the juice is there, which I have taken the juice. I need 1 cup of the juice. So I will put it into the pan with 4 teaspoons gelatin, 2 teaspoons of sugar. The gelatin has to dissolve, sugar has to dissolve, and it has to come to boiling point. Meanwhile, that is been boiling, I need a flat tray which I have nicely buttered this tray. Cool this slightly cool it. Keep in a bowl of water and cool this so that it will be easy for us. Now what I am going to do, I have slightly buttered it and pour into this flat dish, and we will keep in the fridge so that it will set. I put a little yellow coloring also. Why did I put the yellow coloring? So that it will have a color in the chili. If you keep in the freezer, you can take in half an hour. If you keep in the normal fridge, within 1 hour, you can take it out. So we will see how we are going to take. Now we will keep this in the freezer. I have taken half a tin of condensed milk. I have to show you half a tin condensed milk I have taken. So within that half a tin, I am using the fruit juice, that is pears juice. I want to make it 1 tin. Take it 1 tin and we will pour this into the pan. Now I am using again another tin of juice, that is going to be again 2 cups. Along with that, I use a little water. I need another half a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Condensed milk we put, fruit juice we have used, but little sugar we will add. First you mix it. I didn't light the cooker. I am just mixing it till the corn flour get dissolved and the condensed milk also get mixed with the fruit juice. Since we are using fruit juice, we can't use fresh milk. Then what do? I need a little bit of about 30 grams of butter till all this get dissolved. I have not put one more thing in it, that is the gelatin. Another 4 teaspoons of gelatin I have put, because earlier for the jelly we used gelatin. Now lastly condensed milk we put, corn flour we have used about 4 dessert spoons, and 4 teaspoons of gelatin we have put, 30 grams of butter. Now that has got thickened. How will I know that it's thickened? Since I used the gelatin last, little more cooking we need. When you coat like this, it should be nicely fully coated. Cool this nicely. The whipping cream that I use is also sweet. So it's low fat whipping cream that I am using. So what we have to do is, for this, cool and add the whipping cream. We use the pears juice. So I am going to use a little vanilla essence. The pears flavor is there. Now what I am going to do is I am going to put half into this bowl, half the mixture. We don't want the balanced juice and all, we don't need. We will put the pears which I have cut into small pieces. We will put that, as I told you, what should we do? Keep it in the freezer for 5 minutes at least. We have to keep at least 5 minutes, then only we can use this nicely. Cashew nuts. And what we have to do is, we have to color this. What's the color we are going to use? I need green color. Now the balance I am going to pour it over, but please remember, keep for 5 minutes in the freezer and then put it. Now actually I am going to keep it in the freezer for about 5 minutes at least, otherwise I won't be able to decorate it nicely. So we will, 5 minutes I will keep in the freezer and take it. I have taken some peaches. Some peaches were cut into small pieces and some peaches of course I have cut like this and kept. Each peaches was cut into 3 so that it's going to be for a decoration. So that freezer, it has to be kept at least 5 to 10 minutes before we start decorating. Pears. You can have any fruits you like, whatever fruits you like you can use. Want a cherry to be in the middle and a fuse. Now I have got my jelly ready. Can you remember the first thing that we did was the jelly. Now my lovely jelly is ready, which I am going to put it on top of this, right, so that it will look colorful and it looks nice. That's the that we did, the jelly on top. So this is the pudding that I have done for you, Fruity Jelly Delight. So we can always enjoy preparing a pudding like this. As I told you, it has to be, what did I say? It has to be kept in the fridge at least for 2 hours, not in the freezer. You have to keep it in the fridge at least for 2 hours and then you decorate it so that it will look really nice. This you are going to eat it and taste it and see how it's going to be. So till then, bye from me now because I am getting ready for the another episode. Thank you for watching and enjoy having all these meals.